YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Reyes Nails coming at you with another video. And in today's video, y'all, or before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, please. And I'm just gonna do a little nail cam, y'all. A little holiday spirit. We got some gingerbread cookies and some Rudolphs and some presents and some glam. Thank you, ma'am. So yeah, y'all know me, I'm extra. And if you're wondering what my necklace say, I actually got this made off AliExpress. It says Tootie. That's my nickname, for those of you who don't know. And y'all, my hair up here, I gotta do something to it, y'all. When it gets kind of dirty-ish, it does what it wants, and then it starts looking like a little wig, but it's not. It's on my scalp. So yeah, y'all, I decided to you know me, I'm always just strolling on IG, you know, YouTube, whatever the case may be. And one of my subscribers had actually, what was it? She added me for this independent business. So I was just like, you know, I love supporting whether it's a black business, a small business, any business, you know, I'm very supportive. So I decided to actually support a small business from IG and also a local business that's actually in my state. And y'all probably like, you're lazy, because why did you just have it shipped and not pick it up? Because I'm lazy. So this is, and I'm so sorry if I, you know, say the name wrong. My heart's in the right place though. So this is Reyes Nails, and this is located here in Ohio. So this is the package. I can't show you the other side because it has my information. Hold on, let me open it. And y'all, basically, this young lady sells a whole bunch of nail stuff. When I tell you a whole bunch of nail stuff, cute stuff, polishes, nail stickers, nail foils, glitters, all types of stuff. Like, definitely this is not going to be my last time ordering from her. I'm going to order some more stuff. She also has sales and stuff like that, y'all. So I had to check her out. So, you know, I love a good nail decal, whether it's stickers, water decals. She has those too. So I just wanted to purchase, you know, a few things. So y'all, got these right here. So y'all, she got the Christmas stuff. Y'all, do y'all see this? Y'all know that's Beetlejuice. Who that lady? Who that lady, y'all? With the apple. Snow White. I think that's Snow White. We got Tuesday. We got Morticia. We got, if y'all can see that, Freddy Krueger now. It, Chucky, Scream, Nightmare Before Christmas. And I actually got 2 of them. And I'm just like, I had to get these because I love Halloween-ish. Because I watch scary movies all year round, y'all. So that's just me. And I love this print, The Day of the Living Dead. Love it. I actually have a few things in my room. My room's a little junky, but I have a few things in my room. I actually have a doll of the Day of the Living Dead. I love it. I think this is so stinking cute. It's like the print is just so vivid and beautiful. I love it. What else, y'all? I got this LV sticker with butterflies. We have some tie-dye. I'm thinking about my next set. It's probably gonna be like a trippy set, like some Rick and Morty and stuff like that. I'm thinking about it. That might be my next nail set, y'all. And then the next one, because y'all know I love this little flower. Y'all, and they got the LV set. So I thought that was so cute. And I'll make sure I link down below the websites to both businesses. Make sure nothing else is in there before I throw that away. Okay, the next business is from the Long Nail Diva. And y'all, I had to. Y'all know I love anything dealing with nails. And then y'all know my nails be so extra. So I just had to. And I actually have clothing. So let me just open this first. And it actually comes with a card. It says, Long Nail Diva Worldwide, longer the nails, closer to heaven. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. The longer the nails, the closer to heaven. I am a long nail diva. And then it just provides her mailing address or her information. So, not sure if you guys can see that. I'm also going to be linking it down below. So y'all, the first thing I purchased, because I purchased two things, is a t-shirt. And they come in different sizes and different colors, which y'all know me, I love my, my black t-shirt. So this is so cute, and I got this in a 2X. And it says Long Nail Diva with the money sign. So cute. And then the next one, dropping stuff. The next one, I got a hoodie. What size I get this in? I got the hoodie in a 2X. And it says Long Nail Diva. So cute. So stinking cute. And it has the money sign, or no, the hand with the money on it. So cute, because we're coming into 2022 and we want all the money. But y'all might see this in 2022. Either way, we want money all this year long. And right here it says Long Nail. So cute. Hold on, let me open this up some. I love the pink detailing. Long nail, and it's good material. It's that thick material. It's not like, how you get some material to be cheap. It's that good material. It feels very durable, and it says long nail here. And it's good, like a good stretch to it. A very good stretch. And y'all thought this was so cute. There's nothing on the back. The back is plain, but she has so many other stuff. She actually sells jewelry and all types of different stuff. So you definitely have to go on her website and check it out. But yeah, y'all thought this was so cute. So yes. So yeah, guys, make sure you check out both of these businesses. Yeah, because I'm speechless. I'm really speechless. And the nail stuff, and you guys, I've been thinking about it. I know my channel is just not with nails, but I always emphasize on my long nails and stuff like that. But, I talk about nails, lifestyles, I want to get into a little bit more of story times and stuff like that. But I was thinking about doing a nail giveaway. And, because I have a lot of stuff. A lot. And I just wanted to be a blessing towards someone, whether you're a beginner nail tech or trying to get started or still at the beginning stages. I want to be a blessing to someone, and I'm thinking about putting together like a little nail package with like a few things, maybe like some necessities or some accessories, things that you would need. So if that's something that you're interested in, only if you're interested in, or if you know somebody that's into stuff like that, have them come towards my channel, subscribe, because you have to be subscribed. And we're probably going to get into it a little bit more, but if that's something that you guys would be interested in, I can also make a video of everything I'm going to put in there. And then during that video, I'll let you guys know the requirements for the giveaway. But if you're starting out, or, if you don't know what to buy, what to purchase and stuff like that, just let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in as far as a giveaway. And I would be giving away like acrylic, probably like a nail brush and stuff like that, certain things that you need to start, probably also some see, because I want to send certain stuff, but I don't want it to leak. So I might send the necessities, and the only thing you might have to get is like your monomer. That would probably be the only thing you'll have to get because I don't want that to spill. But yeah, guys, you know, let me know if that's something that you're interested in. And I could definitely put that together, and I would think that would be so much fun to bless somebody else with some beginner stuff, you know? But yeah, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.